Hi, this is Mark and Valerie with At My Home. Today we're going to show you how to use the new Perfect scale and the Vitamix Ascent A3500 blender that work through Bluetooth. Today we're going to make a recipe of, Valerie?
Green grape, spinach, and banana smoothie. Alright, so I've got the Vitamix on the scale, so now I need to add some water. So let's pour the water. It's done. Next, 107 grams of green grape. Put some grapes in here. Just getting up there. Ooh. Oh, we're done with grapes. All right, next. We need pineapple, about 33.3 grams of pineapple. I have no idea how much that is. So let's see how it goes. Oh my gosh, we're over. I guess we're going to go next. $40 grams of spinach. Put some spinach here.
So you didn't have to pre-measure this ahead of time, did you?
Nope, I just am guessing as we go along. Because it measures it for me. About 0.4 of a banana. Almost. Oh, we're right there. A little bit over. Not too bad. And then 43.3 grams of ice cubes. Got some ice cubes here. Those in. Oh, that wasn't very much. All right, ready? Next. Okay, blend, or until desired consistency is reached. So put the blender over here on the Vitamix. Put the lid on. All right. Uploading the recipe program, so now it's uploaded it via Bluetooth. All I have to do is push the pulse button, which is, I guess, this one. Push the start button. All right, now the program is complete, so let's taste it and see how it is. I'm just going to take off the lid. And there we go. It's our first perfect blend smoothie.
So now you've never used this Vitamix with this Perfect Blend scale before, have you?
This is my first smoothie with the perfect blend scale. It's pretty simple.
How's it taste?
Cheers. Not bad.
All right, thank you. I hope everyone enjoyed this today. Read more about it on our blog at atmyhome.com.